So friends, this is another serious thing which is going unnoticed, but we cannot allow it go unnoticed. Somebody has created is on Twitter by the name Akira, the chief village youth mobilizer or youth cornerstone. So the guy started posting by a quote that a frog never knows the importance of water until river dries. Your Excellency, the youth of Greater North Uganda Mobilization team of 2021 shall soon march to Gulu and State House. If this fraudster is not summoned, we need our money. 3rd March 2021. Kololo. Another tweet again from the person. Here to remind you that the president must hear out our voices and the high GG team as well. We need the presidential coordinator, Mr. Odochi Bosco Olak, to produce to us our project funds, scholarships, compensation, etc. before 2026 commences. We did not apply to be born from the north. That's another tweet. Then again, another tweet. His Excellency Mr. Odochi Bosco are standing on our 1.6 billion you gave for our projects as half of the money for the youth project you pledged on the 3rd of March at Kololo. We shall soon march to Gulu and State House if there is no intervention in this matter. Then also again another tweet is, why does it seem like violence or shouting or making noise is the only option that has been left for us, the Wananchi, as a way of communication to our government? Oh, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. All the higher public offices seem unapproachable. Why? I'm seeking to be heard, Uganda. So I don't know the meaning of Wananchi, but I always hear Museveni talk about Wananchi. So another tweet also from the same person, and is the last one. The person said, Greater Northern UG team of 2021 sub-region coordinators. For a very long time we have been stood on. It's high time our voices are heard. We seek for your audience urgently. CC Kagota Museveni, Your Excellency. This Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, 3rd of March 2021 at Kololo. So from the looks of things, it seems like these guys, maybe they were promised 1.6 billion Uganda shilling, promised scholarships and also compensation for their mobilization of 2021 election at Kololo. I think maybe they did some work at Kololo. Yeah, it's difficult to understand, but they're demanding for a total of 1.6 billion, and the person they're accusing that have eaten or have taken the money is Mr. Bosco Odochi, and Mr. Bosco Odochi Olak is said to be the presidential coordinator. He's the presidential coordinator, yeah, something of such sort, and they say before 2026 come, they need that money. Say, going ahead to say, why is violence the only option left for the Wananchi? So a serious development that you cannot just miss. Thank you.